theme parties. We have these pre-Diwali parties and themes like carnival, metallic theme, Bollywood theme. Previously, it used to be limited to the kids. Now, the women of Rajkot are all out and grabbing everything. Every second day, there are a bunch of women looking for, oh, it's only whites today, or it's only metallic, oh, give me something for the carnival.
Carnival theme.
Yeah.
That's new to me. So let's meet Meenal Rajguru, the owner of Monsoon, the multi-designer store. So thanks for coming here, Meenal, and just tell me, how did you get an idea of a multi-designer store in Rajkot when you were a migrant from Mumbai?
Oh, all right. That was a long thing. All right. So I was definitely born and brought up in Mumbai, but I got married here. And basically, Rajkot happens to be my native place. Like my grandmom and uncles, everybody belongs to Rajkot. So I used to come here regularly on festivities and occasions and all those things. So that way, if you go to see, I am rooted with Rajkot. And after marriage, I'm here in Rajkot. Now it's like been 30 years I'm in Rajkot. Rajkot need to have.
Right. So, Meenal, I've seen a very beautiful thing about you. Like, you've been working, you've been a wife here in Rajkot. How do you connect yourself spiritually? Because there's always that humbleness and positivity. You know, when there's a woman who's working and you in the middle age, I would say, where the issues like menopause and struggling with your inner peace, how do you balance handling home, handling your store, and handling your inner peace?
Well, all thanks to Sadhguru and Isha Foundation. I've been deeply rooted with them, and my journey with Isha Foundation actually gives me a balance between spirituality. It gives me a balance with clarity, and also my journey with Isha has been truly life changing for me.
So, how do you take out time when you're working, when you have responsibilities at home, and you have to do certain rituals? Of course, you're with Sadhguru, so there must be some rituals you're doing every day, or maybe you go out and rejuvenate. Like if you ask me, अगर મને પૂછો ને તો હું મારી ઓફિસમાંથી જ મારા કામમાંથી આઈ એમ સો ટાઈડ અપ કે if I have to plan, my spiritual journey is calling me, but I am not able to go there. But you've been successful, lucky કે તમે ઈ જર્નીને પાથ પર ચાલ્યા છો. So how do you fetch out time for everything?
So it so happens that the main reason, the outcome of spirituality is balance and clarity, both. So this gives me a very good grounding. Like it just helped me. This helps me stay rooted and grounded. And after you're well established, your bases are well established and everything, then everything is like just fun time.
Right. So this is a personal question. A personal question I wanted to ask you.
Definitely.
When you just shifted from Mumbai and when you came to Rajkot, of course the culture is very different. Females are different. Their mentality is different. How do you find like-minded friends here? Because you need somebody to talk to discuss to.
Very true.
But because working females ochi છે percentage wise, how do you find your like-minded people?
So this is 30 years back that I'm talking, when I got married and came to Rajkot. I was lucky enough to belong to a huge family. So already like everything was something or the other is to go on within the family. But outside the family, we have groups of friends. Like my husband's already well established in Rajkot, my sisters-in-laws, everybody here. So we meet different people, different friends, and somehow we connect. And like me, there are many wives who've come from like Delhi, Mumbai, and lots of other places. Like you yourself is from Mumbai. So we connect. Like, yeah, it happened, but it was I wouldn't say it's an easy journey or something. It's tough because as it is for a woman after leaving the mother's house, adjusting with the husband's family, and especially from Mumbai to Rajkot, it's a cultural shock. But Rajkot has given me so much love and warmth that it was, I wouldn't say easy, but it was quite good. The journey was good.
Actually, એક નાના ટાઉનના પ્રોસ કોન્સ બી છે. Like
Definitely.
both. Rajkot is very loving and very
Definitely,
welcoming.
definitely. And it's so well connected also.
Right. So tell me, Meena, like while handling a store, how difficult? See, બધાને ખબર છે you're the owner of Monsoon, and બહારથી picture is very good. But અંદર કેટલી struggle, કેટલું running, deadlines, convincing people. અત્યારના ઈરામાં they come with their own ideology, their own photographs. પહેલાં તો કેવું હતું કે તમે કયો એ માની લેતા. હવે તો everybody has knowledge. Google
Yes.
પરથી ગોતીને જ આવી જાય.
Yes,
So
yes.
how do you handle clients in day-to-day life? How do you convince them? And how do you put how much energy you need in the store throughout the day?
So one thing, internet is a very big boon for authentic stores like Monsoon. The new generation, or even I wouldn't particularize the new generation, પણ જે અત્યારના માણસો છે, અત્યારના people છે, એ લોકોનું they have developed an eye for craftsmanship, design as well as individuality. They come with the name of designers, and they know what is what exactly. And touch wood that we've been able to connect with our clients and curate clothes for them, and most of them have been super satisfied.
Right. So how do you convince the designers? Because I've heard that designers are very reluctant in entering Rajkot. So how do you convince them to come to send their designs here?
So let me take you to the beginning. જ્યારે મેં સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું the vision of having a multi-designer store or any store in Rajkot, I had this vision that kahin bhi hoy, like I wanted to get India's most loved designers to my city, my Rajkot. That was my only aim in the beginning. And even though I had it all, I had the vision, I had the purpose, I had the passion, I had also the resources. It wasn't easy for me. It was very difficult to convince designers that even Rajkot can stand as a city which holds luxury studios and luxury boutiques, and you can get your stuff here. It was a very tough time. Like I used to invite designers and speak to them, and they used to study the Rajkot potential, and everybody knows Rajkot has a lot of potential. એમાં કંઈ નવી વાત જ નથી. So it took time, but now even international brands like Burberry have associated with Monsoon. That's what Monsoon is now.
How nice. So any experiences you want to share in your place where you feel that it's just unforgettable, the way the client behave, or maybe the way you've convinced them, or maybe sometimes when you see them dressed and styled, you have that tears in your eyes that this is the work I've achieved?
So એક બહુ જ ડિયર ઇન્સિડન્ટ થયું હતું સ્ટોરમાં. વન લેડી, એમને છે ને એના હસબન્ડને બતાવીને આઉટફિટ્સ લેવાતા. So just newly married, so that connection between them is that lovey-dovey and all that. And the husband came, he was sipping coffee at Monsoon, and the lady had gone to change, and suddenly she came out with a gorgeous lehenga, and she was looking like an angel in it. And the person, the man, he literally nearly spilled the coffee, and he was like totally aghast looking at the whole thing. And she's like, so how do you find it? Is it nice? Do I take it? He's like, I love everything that you wear, and everything is good. And it's like she had mesmerized him totally, and it was like a proposal kind of a moment. And the whole staff and all of us were like, we were like enjoying this moment, and till today it gives me a very nice smile. It's like I experience Monsoon store as a place of warmth, laughter and connection.
That's so sweet. Meenal, you have been financially based very strongly from start. So for you, what is achievement? Is achievement achieving your dreams, uh, uh, professionally reaching somewhere, or finding some inner peace, or what is actually the meaning of achievement for you?
So if I say it in a statement, achievement is not only outer success. It definitely is included with inner peace. It's like you're celebrating your outer success, but equally, I'm celebrating my inner peace also. The moment like the client has given you an order for a piece or a huge thing, a small thing, whatever, and the client is really, really happy looking at it, and that's what just, makes me feel that yes, this is something I want to see every day and every moment.
Right. So you want to give some advice to the females here, to the audience that who are struggling with their career or struggling
Definitely.
at home, okay, how to go about your spiritual path and how would that help your career and even in your relationships?
Definitely, definitely. So, for me, if you go to see, I would like to give my own example. For me, how spirituality has helped me, it keeps me totally, what do you say, full of passion, અને lot of grace and a lot of service. જેમ કે મોન્સૂન લક્ઝરી બ્રાન્ડ છે. Monsoon as a luxury brand is quite demanding, to operate and everything on a daily basis. But for me, the practices I have learned from Isha, something like miracle of mind meditation, hut yoga છે, and a lot of volunteering. હું ઘણું બધું volunteering કરું છું. સો આ બધી વસ્તુથી મને એટલું બધું એમ્પાવરમેન્ટ મળે છે અને એટલી બધી પીસ મળે છે કે બીજું બધું જે આપણે ઓન અ ડેલી બેસિસ જે બી આપણે ફેસ કરતા હોય એ તો થવાનું જ છે, બટ ઇટ ટેક્સ યુ લાઈક રિયલી સટલલી, તમને ખબર જ ન પડે કે ચેલેન્જ આવી અને વહી ગઈ.
Right.
And as for the young generation, the young students, young people, I would say that તમે જે કંઈ પણ કરો, I think you should start it here itself. મેં ઘણું બધું જોયું છે કે યંગ પીપલ ભણીને પછી બારે ક્યાંક સેટલ થવું હોય એ લોકોને, લાઈક આઈ ફીલ દેટ રાજકોટમાં બહુ જ સરસ પ્લેટફોર્મ મળે છે અને તમારી જે બી અચીવમેન્ટ છે યુ શુડ ટ્રાય અચીવિંગ ઇટ હિયર. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, તમે ભલે યુ વોન્ટ ટુ હેવ અ મોડર્ન સોસાયટી, અ મોડર્ન outcome to whatever you're doing, but you should always mix it along with your traditional classic roots also. This is what I believe in.
Right. So as you said that Monsoon is a luxury brand, right? So what is your say ke, what do you think that 2 lakh, 3 lakh Ghagras now are, what is the value? Are they worth, because Pella to, people were like when they're getting married, they want to wear a red sari or a red Ghagra. That was the only requirement. But હવે શું requirement છે? I'm wearing Sabyasachi. No, I want to wear this. No, I want to wear Manish Malhotra. So how do you deal with that when the value of clothes is going so high and it's one time wear?
True. You're so true. So, what makes a Sabyasachi or what makes a Manish Malhotra? It's hard work and hard work and hard work, which is now recognized by our public, our people, our children. The hours they put into the designs, the hours the artisans put into the designs, etc. So all these things, besides the material value and the all that value, this is most important. How the design came into concept, how many hours it took him to make the design. So all these things add to the value of a Sabyasachi or a Manish Malhotra, Payal Singhal, say Torani or anybody. So all these things add up that way. And for example, we have designers of Rajkot. I wouldn't like to say names, but then there are young students. Like recently during the Navratri pop-up, I had their, I support the Rajkot designers though, and they had their stalls and all those things. So I was just happening to talk to them, like how do you find it? How do you find the industry in Rajkot? તો એ લોકો સિમ્પલી કે અમે બહુ જ હાર્ડ વર્ક કર્યું છે, એન્ડ વી જસ્ટ હોપ ઇટ pays us, and એટલે આપણને ખબર હોય કે ભાઈ આ ચણિયો છે એ આટલાનો હું બજારમાંથી લઈ શકું ને એમાં ઉપર ઉપર આવી રીતે લગાડીને મારે થાય, બટ આપણને દેખાય કે એને વર્ક કર્યું છે, હેન્ડવર્ક છે, એને પોતે કેટલાય કલાકો થયા છે ત્યારે આ ઘાઘરો થયો છે. સો એ એફર્ટ્સની છે ને એના પૈસા હોય જ છે. અને ઇટ શોઝ ઓલ્સો વેન યુ વેર અ સાબિયા સાચી, જે બ્રાઇડ છે જે બી પહેર જેને બી એનું કોન્ફિડન્સ બી અલગ જ હોય, આખું જુદું જ પહેલું હોય, યુ નો.
Everybody wants to look different and you have to pay for that.
Exactly.
Right.
But there is something for everybody. એવું બી નથી. There are people of the minimalistic mindset also. લાઈક હવે લિનનનું કપડું છે, હવે લિનન હેન્ડ વોમન છે, એ બી એનું બી પછી એવી રીતે થાય. એવું નથી કે વર્ક છે તો એ જ મોંઘું હોય. ધ બેઝિક લિનન ક્લોથ ઓલ્સો ઇઝ એક્સપેન્સિવ બિકોઝ એમાં કેટલું બધું વીવિંગ આવ્યું હોય, એનું ટેક્સચરાઇઝિંગ હોય, દેર ઇઝ અ હોલ પ્રોસેસ વિથ દેટ. અને ઇફ આઈ ફીલ દેટ આપણે જો દઈ શકતા હોય તો આપણા ઇન્ડિયન આર્ટિઝન્સને, વિમેનને એમ્પાવર કરવા માટે આઈ થિંક આપણે બાર્ગેન ન કરીએ, એન્ડ આઈ થિંક વી શુડ give the value of the money of the garment rather, like, you know.
We have to see the hard
We
work.
should see the hard work. Yes, we should.
So Meenal, in such a long span of your experience, I think before monsoon you had done a couple of things also.
Yeah, I did,
right?
yes.
And being in Mumbai, your childhood and your colleging in Mumbai, and then working here, everything, if we sum it up, what lesson have you learned from your life? Like, what do you want to say about that?
The lesson that I have learned in my life, though I'm still learning, it's just ground yourself properly and think big, aim big, and just be consistent with whatever you do. It's like don't hop. આ થોડું કર્યું પછી આ થોડું કર્યું. It shouldn't happen that way. You be consistent and just be proud of whatever you're doing. Just take one day at a time. That's it. There is no tomorrow. It's only today and now.
Right.
Do your best.
Thank you so much, Meenal, for giving your time, and it was great talking to you.
Same here. Lovely.
Thank you.